Before you buy another bottle of juice from the store, let me show you how to make a fresher and healthier juice at home in 5 minutes using only nectarines and oranges. This fresh nectarine orange juice is naturally sweet, it is packed with vitamin C, it is perfect for glowing skin and hydration, and it's also very simple to make. So for this nectarine orange juice recipe, I used about 500 grams of ripe nectarines and 1 kilo of fresh oranges. You can also add a piece of ginger to boost your digestion. So we're going to start by prepping the ingredients, and it's always good to make sure you wash your fruits and vegetables thoroughly before using them. So I'm just going to slice the nectarines and remove the seeds or the pit. Next, I will also peel the oranges, and I like to remove this whitish part so that the juice doesn't come out bitter. Now let's talk about some of the amazing health benefits of this nectarine orange juice. It is rich in vitamin C, it is also rich in antioxidants. It also has some natural enzymes that helps to support your immune health, helps to support skin glow and make your skin brighter. It also supports collagen production. It helps with your hydration. It's a natural energy boost, and it's also a perfect summer juice recipe that kids and adults can enjoy. If you love simple homemade juice recipes like this, make sure you subscribe to my channel for more healthy juice ideas. You can also check out the link in my description box for more juice recipes and the link to my ebook where I have more juice recipes that you can try at home. Don't forget to like this video and share it with someone who needs a natural immune boost. So we are done juicing and it's tasting time. As you can already tell, this juice tasted so good and so refreshing. My mom really loved it and she just kept saying, oh, this is so good, this is so good. So for best results and to maximize the nutritional value of your juice, it's always best to drink your fresh juice immediately after juicing. And if you're going to store it, it's better to store it in an airtight glass container and put it in the fridge immediately. You can store it in the fridge within 48 to 72 hours. This will help to preserve the nutrients and make sure that no nutrient is lost, okay? Let me know in the comment section, have you tried nectarine juice before? Do you prefer nectarine juice on its own, or do you like it with orange juice? Thank you for watching. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.